How to set up secret folder on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. For that, go your setting and you need to go security and privacy, and from here you can see the more security setting. Now here you can see security folder. Now this is the security folder section. Go setting. Now you have to enter your pin, password or pattern, or you can register your face ID as well. And to set pattern, and show notification, I don't want to show notification to my security folder, then press on continue and press on continue. Now it's creating. Now almost done, and allow lock reset your Samsung. Now select your lock pattern. Now press on next. Close all apps while lock. Allow background activity while lock. Press on next and done. As you can see, those apps already add to my security folder, and if you go back, then as you can see, my security folder is available here. Now if you want to add more apps, press on plus icon, then you can add more apps as well. Press on add, and if you want to add any file, then press on the three-dotted line, add file. Then you can add video, photo or audio, or that you want to add. Then copy or move. I want to copy it, and then under a file you can see your file image, or you can see your gallery for your image. And if you go to setting, then a lot of option available here, you can check later. Now the fact is, let's see, it's a security folder. If you press on a security folder, then as you can see, it's need a pattern. If you enter pattern, your security folder will be enabled. So that's it. This is how you can easily set up it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.